यतीश बाब म्हाका फायनल एकच सांगात, हे मुद्दे जे आसात अल्टिमेटली खंय तरी एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिवली सरकाराच्या हाजे वयल्यान खर इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जावचें पडटलें. जशें एफआयआराच्या बाबतींत पुलिसेन बरेंच लावन धरिल्लें. तुमकां दिसता ह्या मुद्द्याचेर एटलिस्ट विदीन द गव्हर्मेंट एक टास्क फोर्स जो डेडिकेटेडली हाजेर काम करून, सुप्रीम कोर्टाच्या ऑर्डरी प्रमाणे तर एक फोर्स आसूंकच जाय, एटलिस्ट तो तरी प्रॉपरली चालीक लावन जे मुद्दे दिलीप बाबान महेश बाबान मांडले, एटलिस्ट त्या बेजीक मुद्द्यांचेर आमी काम स्टार्ट करप गरजेचें.
See, you have to appreciate government is serious. Where road accidents च्या विशयाचेर government खूप serious आसा, and they are at the administrative level they are taking very many decisions for effective कितें म्हणटा ते administration of road responsibility, road safety and all that. हांव फक्त एकूच सांगूंक शकता की काल डायरेक्टर ट्रान्सपोर्टाचे खंय तरी हांवें पेपरार वाचिल्लें. आय थिंक टुडे और येस्टरडे, आय डोंट रिमेंबर, सम फिगर्स दॅट हॅव कम ऑन द पेपर्स. And we have to, as readers, I mean drivers or four-wheelers or cars or whatever, we should see the figures and take a clue from that. I mean, those figures are not pleasant. The figures revealed by the Director of Transport showing the number of accidents out of human errors, out of rashness, out of negligence, out of, all these things. I mean, they are unpleasant figures. And that is happening because somewhere our road responsibility, road civic sense is somewhere, I think, wobbling. I mean, drivers, whether two-wheelers, four-wheelers, I think we should be more responsible. Government is trying to do its best. Government is holding periodic meetings. Mukhyamantri swata meeting घेता. Police machinery from top to bottom has been
तू म्हणटा सगळे जालें आणि जर आमीच जर धडना जाल्यार हाजो काय फायदो जावचो ना.
Therefore I'm saying, see, government आता रस्ते, I mean, government is doing the best of roads, न्ही, the best of roads, the best of, so that there is no कितें म्हणटा bottlenecks, आणि we are doing good roads, but that doesn't mean you zoom.
I mean, so ultimately ह्यो जर सगळी गजाल जाल्यो आणि आमीच जर बेजबाबदार उरले, हातूंतल्यान काय साध्य जावचें ना.